Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download TikTok on your PC. What you need to do. First, just go to Google and type Google Web Store, and then here Chrome Web Store. Click here, and then here in the search bar just type TikTok, enter, and here the first one, TikTok mobile downloader. Click add to Chrome and then added. Sorry, I am this in Vietnamese. And then add. Here is the Chrome TikTok mobile downloader. Just click on it. Yeah, and here it's open the screen. And you can watch it here. And even here I can click download if I want to download it. This is how you can download TikTok in your PC. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any question, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.